friend, this new product and 2022 this product about details review. Okay, this product is very helpful and beginners very helpful and advanced, that's well for this product. Okay, the D.I.Y Startup Planning Guide to Affiliate Marketing 2022 by SunnySideUp. Looking to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. The D.I.Y Startup Planning Guide to Affiliate Marketing in just for you. If you are just getting started, this guide will provide you with all of the key information you need to become successful. The ebook also come with 4 helpful Excel template that you can use to manage your affiliate marketing business. What this ebook has to offer: the D.I.Y Standard Planning Guide to Affiliate Marketing contains everything you could want to know about building an affiliate marketing business on your own. Online business tip: affiliate marketing is like an others type of business. Learn what you learn to know about setting up your business. A lot of info about this product. Click my video. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Okay. Sales finance. To maximum your earning, you need to know how to present your offer. Learn how to set up sales finance. Autoresponder. To get response sell, you need to use email marketing. Learn how to set up an autoresponder that build you a lively customer site. Traffic. Traffic is a lifeblood of any affiliate marketing business. Learn how to get traffic that's convinced. Digital strictly. Want to grow your business? Stir up on struggles that top affiliate marketing used to sell up. Business model. Want to learn what to affiliate are doing to make money? Find out your reading about the top affiliate marketing business model. The ebook helped me put everything in perspective, and I stopped jumping from system and to system and start focusing to building building a real business start. Okay. An ebook for beginners. Even if we have never promoted an affiliate offer before, this ebook will provide you with this information that you need to get started. You will learn about all of the animals that are turns to create a successful affiliate marketing business. Crest and focusing of system. This ebook is designed to task you the closest to online marketing. And ebook basis beside to experience. The ebook was written beside set up of 10 years of an affiliate marketing experience. The information is this guide is the result of studying the expert and testing the ins and out of affiliate marketing. Firstly, it order to find the most friendly method and tips to guiding start. A word from the author. I love affiliate marketing. I have always learned to share what I have learned with the world. This ebook will give you the confidence you need to finally dive into affiliate marketing as a your business. Okay. Why buy now? Why put off starting your affiliate marketing business for another day? The D.I.Y setup planning guide to affiliate marketing comes with bonus, Excel template, and access to the affiliate marketing tips as letter. Okay. The product before value $29.95. Just now $9 only. Okay, this product is very helpful and beginners that helpful. This product is very good and a lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description.